Hi everyone, it's Sharon LaFlamme with more simple summer detox tips, and I want to talk about your sleep again because it's so important in the detoxification process of your entire body. So simple ways to get better rest. First thing in the morning, go out and get light in your eyes. That's not only going to stop your melatonin production, it's going to help reset your whole endocrine system and even possibly your endocannabinoid system, which we talked about. So it also amazingly starts the production. So the more light that you have during the day, the better melatonin you produce at night. So the other thing you want to do is you want to stop being around your electronics just before bed. And you want to have blue light blocker glasses on once you hit noontime. There's too much blue light coming in your eyes, and that's messing with your endocrine system. So you want blue light blockers even for the artificial light at night. So once noontime hits, start using them for your devices for the blue light. And shut your devices down before, like an hour before bed. It's too stimulating. What else did I have here? Caffeine. Oh, yeah. Yeah, we all know, don't do caffeine. If you're highly sensitive, don't do it at all. Not after 2 p.m. if you're not highly sensitive. So just a few simple tips, and I have a whole lot of rituals and habits and PDFs that I could send you if you're interested. So just let me know. So get yourself a pair of blue light blockers. It'll make all the difference in the world as you reset your endocrine system, and you'll get the best Z's. Happy Z's to you. Namaste.